Welcome back, Pitt. I'm Jeremiah, and this is your campus update. Bring in the new year with some bowling. Join the Pitt Program Council and the RSA for a fun night at the PAA at 10 p.m. on Friday, January 10th. The event is free for all students with a valid ID, and there will be free pizza and drinks provided. Get connected with local agencies offering volunteering opportunities at this year's Winter Volunteer Fair. The fair will be held January 15th from 11 to 2 in the William Pitt Union's Ballroom and Assembly Room. Graduation is quickly approaching. All seniors are invited to stop by the William Pitt Union Assembly Room on January 15th from 11 to 3 for a celebration of the 100th day until graduation. There will be food, prizes, career advice, as well as OCC completion advice. The first 300 seniors will receive a Pitt Class 2014 lanyard. Make January 20th a day on, not a day off. Join other Pitt students for the MLK Day of Service in the Pittsburgh area. Check-in begins around 9 a.m. in the William Pitt Union Assembly Room, and the buses will return around 1 for lunch. Register by clicking the What's Hot link on the Student Affairs page. The Office of Career Development and Placement Assistance will be hosting an internship week for students to receive guidance on preparing for their futures. January 21st marks the kickoff of the week with the Winter Olympics held in Northeast Place from 4 to 7 p.m. Check back later for more details on the event. For more information on these events and more, visit the Student Affairs webpage. Welcome back, and hail to Pitt.